Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Jason Turley. We're back with more picoCTF challenges. Haven't done one of these in a good while, so I thought it'd be a good idea to go back and knock out some more. You can see here I've selected the general skills category from any picoCTF event. We see all the previous ones listed here. So let's just get started with the first one, obedient cat. Clicking on it, we see this is from picoCTF 2021. The description reads, this file has a flag in plain sight, aka in the clear. And then there's a link to download the flag, and there's 3 hints. Looking at those, any hints about entering a command into the terminal, we'll start with a $sign. Okay. In order to download the file, we can use wget, and then also you can look at the man page for a command called cat. So let's right click, copy this link, open up our terminal. Let me zoom in a little bit. I'm in a directory called pico. Let me make a directory called obedient cat. Looks good. Hit enter, cd into that directory. And let's download the file with wget ls-l, make sure it's there. Let's run file on flag. It's ASCII text. Clear the screen just to give myself a little more room. And let's cat flag. And there you have it. Nice and simple. Sanity verified in leet speak. So that was pretty easy. We can open up the man page for cat. Concatenate files and print to standard output. If no file is given, it reads from standard input. We can use some command flags, some options. So attack A to show everything, or attack N to print out line numbers. So we can play around with that just because this was a very simple challenge. Let's do cat A flag, awesome, cat N flag, and it prints that this was the first line of the file. There's also a command called tac, which is cat spelled backwards. So it'll print out any input, but in reverse. This file only had 1 line, so it didn't really do anything. But if I make a new file, let's do cat my file. Write some text here. This is my file. There are many like it, but this one is mine. Hit Control D to exit. If I cat out that, it prints out regularly. If I do tac, we see it prints it out in reverse. Right, the last line is now the first, and so on and so forth. All right, continuing to mess around, there's a command called rev, which can take a file as an input and it'll print it out in reverse. So our flag is now it's reversed. We can pipe that into rev again to put it back to normal. And finally, just for laughs, we can use a command called grep, global regular expression print. And we know our flag, all flags start with pico. So it'll match all lines that start with pico. If I hit the up arrow and try to do that on my flag, nothing prints out because there are no lines that have pico in them. So there you have it. I think we hammered the point well enough. There's 100 ways to print out anything in Linux and Bash. So there's our flag. Let's grab it and paste it in here. Submit, and we get our 5 points. The more difficult the challenge, the higher points it's rewarded. So there you have it, guys. That's it for this video. Hopefully you guys like this new keyboard. I got the Keychron K2 wireless mechanical keyboard with the brown switches, so it should not be as loud when I'm typing. I know some people found that kind of annoying. Let me know how you guys solve this challenge in the comments down below. Take it easy, and see you guys in the next video.